Hi, welcome to English course by Canada Lingo. This is lesson 3. It's a train. So let's listen and repeat. It's a train.
Billy, what's this?
Billy, what's this? Billy, what's this? What's it means nedir. So what's it means nedir. This it means bu. So nedir bu? Billy, what's this?
Ah! It's a crayon.
It's a crayon. It's a crayon. It means o. It means one. So it's a crayon. It means one. And crayon. It means renkli kalem. It's a crayon.
Crayon. It's a crayon.
It's a crayon.
And what's this?
And what's this? What's this? What's this? Bu nedir? What's this?
No. It's a notebook.
It's a notebook. Let me write here. It's a notebook. It means defter. It's a notebook. So, notebook. It means defter. It's a notebook.
Notebook. It's a notebook. My pencils.
My pencils. She says, my pencils. My pencils, it means benim kalemlerim. So, my, it means benim. My pencils. My, it means benim kalemlerim.
Choo-choo. Billy.
Billy.
Billy, what's this?
Billy, what's this? So let me write here. Billy, what's this? Bu nedir? What's this?
Choo-choo. Look, it's a train.
Look, it's a train. So, look, it's a train. Look, it's a train. Look, it means bak. Bak, it's a train. O bir train. So train, tren demek. So look, it's a train.
Choo-choo! Train! Choo-choo! Train!
Okay, so let's listen again and repeat the sentences. It's a train.
Billy, what's this? Car. It's a crayon. Crayon. It's a crayon. And what's this? No. It's a notebook. Notebook. It's a notebook. My pencils. Choo-choo! Billy. Billy, what's this? Choo-choo! Look, it's a train. Choo-choo! Train. Choo-choo! Train.
Alright, so now it's time to play a game. Let's see what kind of game can we play today. So we can learn some about animals. Animals, it means hayvanlar. Animals.
Panda.
Panda. It's a panda.
Chicken.
It's a chicken.
Mouse.
It's a mouse. So I can write, what's this? What's this? Then we say, it's a. So, what's this? Bu nedir? It's a mouse.
Giraffe.
What's this? It's a giraffe.
Butterfly.
What's this? It's a butterfly.
Shark.
It's a shark.
Crocodile.
It's a crocodile.
Turtle.
Turtle. So what's this? It's a turtle and it's green.
Frog.
What's this? It's a frog.
Horse.
What's this? It's a horse. So, what's this? It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. And what color is it? O ne renk? What color is it? It's yellow and orange. It's yellow and orange. So, what's this? O nedir? It's a butterfly. And what color is it? Ne renk? What color is it? It's yellow and orange.
Butterfly.
Crocodile. What's this? It's a crocodile. What color is it? It's green.
Crocodile.
And turtle. It's a turtle and it's green.
Turtle.
Frog. It's a frog. It's green.
Frog.
Mouse. Mouse. This is mouse.
Mouse.
Chicken. This is chicken.
Chicken.
Giraffe. This is giraffe.
Giraffe.
And shark. Shark.
Shark.
Horse. Horse. It's a brown horse.
Horse.
Panda. What color is it? It's white and black.
Panda.
What's this? It's a mouse.
Mouse.
What's this? It's a chicken.
Chicken.
What's this? It's a panda.
Panda.
What's this? It's a horse.
Horse.
What's this? It's a butterfly.
Butterfly.
And what's this? It's a frog. What color is it? It's green.
Frog.
What's this? It's a shark.
Shark.
What's this? It's a turtle.
Turtle.
And what's this? It's a crocodile.
Crocodile.
What's this? It's a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Perfect. Now it's time to read from book. Let's see, what do we have here? Yes. Here we have see. So this is called see. What we say? Cat. So at cat. Car. If I say, what's this? You say, it's a cat. It's a car. It's a cat. It's a car. It's a cat. It's a car. So, see, k. So, here we have numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we have 3 cats. Let's write 3. So 1, 2, 3 cats. But here we have 4 cars. Here we have 4 cars. Let's write 4. It means dirt. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 cars. Here we have 4 cars. Alright, so this is the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day and see you later.